Hello friends, I'm Johnny. Now I'm going to introduce Airwoods Cleanroom service. A cleanroom is an environmentally controlled space that is virtually free of pollutants such as dust, airborne allergens, microbes, or chemical vapors, as measured in particles per cubic meter. Cleanroom widely used in the manufacturing of electronic hardware, food factory, biological lab, medical devices, pharmaceutical factory, and operations theater. Airwoods is an industry-leading provider of customized cleanroom solutions. We have been successfully designing, installing, and commissioning bespoke cleanroom projects, executing well in excess of 100 overseas projects. Our cleanroom design service centers around the perfect balance of following 5 factors: process requirements, space optimization, budget maximization, time limitation, and client desire. We focus on providing exceptional value, accommodating the boundaries and restrictions of every single project to provide clients with the best possible outcome. Airwoods not only provides design and consulting services for overseas cleanroom projects. With our cleanroom supply chain resource, we are able to offer high-quality cleanroom items, including HVAC equipment and cleanroom items, with affordable price. We also price construction, installation, and after-sales service as one-stop solution. Our installation team members are long-time experts, and the team leader have rich overseas construction and installation experience. Airwoods offers turnkey solution for clients looking to create, improve, and upgrade a critical cleanroom environment, providing expert advice based on a wide portfolio of cleanroom projects. We excel in working with your specification as well as your limitations to produce cleanrooms which exceed your expectations, not your budget.